Welcome to Best Choice. The best dog toys is probably one of the most exciting things for your furry friend. From durable chew toys to interactive puzzles, the market is filled with options. But how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll explore some top-rated dog toys, considering factors like durability, safety, and engagement to help you make the best choice for your canine companion. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator. This product is chlorine-free and color-safe, with no hazardous propellants or residue. It's safe to use around pets and children. It is also certified safe for all carpets. This professional-strength stain and odor eliminator tackles all kinds of messes. It removes stains and eliminates odors from pet urine, feces, vomit, and other organic spills. You can use this cleaner on carpets, floors, furniture, clothing, litter boxes, kennels, carriers, and all pet living areas. It's designed to work effectively on any surface where stains occur. This product is designed to eliminate tough stains and odors. It is an enzyme cleaner that is effective on various surfaces. Use it to keep your home clean and fresh. We want the best for your pets, and we're confident you'll be satisfied with this product. If you're not happy with its performance, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like? This cleaner eliminates both stains and odors, ensuring a fresh and clean home. It's also safe for your furry friends and kids, giving you peace of mind. If you have a pet that has accidents indoors, this is the perfect solution to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. What people say? It really eliminates stains, odors, and residue from my carpets after my pets have accidents. The enzyme formula works well, and I appreciate that it handles both pee and other pet-related messes. The 1-gallon size is convenient for heavy-duty cleaning and lasts a long time. Number 4. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes. Is your dog suffering from itchy ears? These wipes are designed to gently clean and soothe your pet's ears, helping to stop itching and prevent infections. It's a simple solution for a happier, healthier dog. This advanced formulation gently cleans, deodorizes, and dries your pet's ears. Regular use helps to reduce wax buildup and remove debris. It keeps them clean and fresh. These wipes are gentle and safe for regular use. They help prevent ear infections and keep your dog's ears in top condition. You can use it with confidence. Each container includes 100 convenient, soothing, and non-irritating disposable ear wipes. They are easy to use and perfect for dogs over 12 weeks old. It makes ear care a breeze. These wipes help reduce foul ear odor and prevent infections, keeping your dog happy and healthy without medication. It's a proactive way to care for your dog's ears. These wipes are made in the USA in federally regulated manufacturing facilities, ensuring quality and safety. You can trust the product's quality. What we like? These wipes gently clean and deodorize your dog's ears, preventing infections. They are easy to use, making ear care a breeze. If your dog is prone to ear issues or you want a simple way to maintain ear hygiene, you should consider this. What people say? After just one use in each of her ears appeared to be much cleaner and a lot of gunk came out. By being able to use a finger, it is much safer than the thought of anything else. We are able to lightly scrub with the pad and get in a circular motion. This product is very effective at cleaning out my pup's ears and keeping ear infections at bay. They are easy to use and my dog appreciates how they make his ears feel once they have been cleaned. They are cool to the touch and leave my pup's ears feeling hydrated, clean, and removes all odors, leaving a clean, fresh smell. My pup's ears look better than ever by simply using this product a couple of times a week. Number 3. Greenies Teenie Fresh Flavored Dental Dog Treats. Introducing Greenies Dental Treats, perfect for your dog's daily oral hygiene. These treats are crafted with natural ingredients and designed to support your dog's dental health. Greenies are recommended by veterinarians to clean teeth and freshen breath. They are a great way to keep your dog's mouth healthy and happy. These dental chews help reduce tartar buildup. Including them in your dog's routine can lead to less tartar and plaque accumulation. Greenies provide clinically proven dental care. They are designed to help maintain your dog's oral hygiene effectively. With a unique texture, these treats clean down to the gum line. This design helps support whole body health by positively balancing the oral microbiome. What we like? These treats are designed to support your dog's dental health, fighting plaque and tartar while freshening breath. They are recommended by vets and made with natural ingredients. If you are looking for a tasty way to improve your dog's oral hygiene, this is a great choice. What people say. They help keep her teeth clean, so they feel like a smart choice for her dental health without breaking the bank. They're designed to support dental care, and I've noticed fresher breath since giving them regularly. They are softer dental stick, which I also like because I worry about them choking on them. Number 2. Pecute self-cleaning slicker brush for dogs and cats. This brush features a unique self-cleaning mechanism. With just the push of a button, you can easily remove the hair from it. The brush has fine stainless steel bristles and gentle massage particles. It effectively removes loose hair and dirt without irritating your pet's skin. This leaves their fur soft and shiny. This brush is suitable for all coat types. Whether your pet has long, short, curly, or wiry hair, it works great. It features an ergonomic design with a non-slip handle. The lightweight design allows for comfortable grooming sessions without fatigue. This ensures both you and your pet are comfortable. The brush is made of high-quality TPR material. It's sturdy and built to last, so you can enjoy its benefits for years to come. What we like. This brush features a self-cleaning mechanism, making it easy to remove loose fur. It's suitable for all coat types, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience for your pet. If you like a hassle-free grooming tool that keeps your pet's coat healthy and shiny, you should consider this. What people say. The stainless steel teeth have gentle protective caps, making them safe and even soothing, like a mini massage for your pet. It removes a good amount of loose fur and is especially helpful for my Pomeranian Chihuahua mix, who has a thick double coat. The one-click self-cleaning feature is a great bonus. It makes cleanup quick and easy. Number 1. Kytely Dog Car Seat Cover. This Kytely Dog Car Seat Cover is designed to fit most standard cars, trucks, and SUVs. It easily converts between a hammock and standard bench coverage. It's the perfect solution for protecting your car's back seat. The cover features a mesh window that allows your pet to see you, reducing anxiety and improving airflow. There's also a convenient pocket to store toys, leashes, and treats. Your dog will love traveling with it. Made with durable 600D Oxford fabric, PP cotton, and a waterproof, anti-slip PVC net. The cover stays in place and provides a cozy space for your dog. The sides are filled with cotton for added comfort. The cover uses a slip-proof PVC backing and seat anchors to keep it securely in place. This ensures your pet's safety while you're driving. It's designed to stay put, even on leather seats. The side flaps protect your entire back seat from scratches, dirt, spills, and other messes. You no longer have to worry about hair, scratches, water, or dirt on your car's back seat when you travel with it. Installation is simple. Just open the cover, insert the seat cushion anchors, and use the adjustable clips to attach it to the headrests. Fasten the door flap straps, and it's ready to go. What we like. This car seat cover is waterproof and durable, protecting your car seats from scratches, dirt, and spills. It's easy to install and fits various vehicles. If you are looking for a way to keep your car clean while traveling with your dog, this is a must-have. What people say. There are holes for the seat belts that you can Velcro close to hook the dog harnesses to. Functions perfectly, keeps the seats dry, we've already had a spill, and keeps the dogs from scratching the doors and slobber on the windows, which I appreciate. The quality of this back seat cover is fantastic and it truly looks great. It's functionally perfect and has idiot-proof installation. My vehicle is a Hyundai Tucson, so an SUV, and the size provides perfect coverage of the entire back seat and doors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.